Kids are idiots trying to fly an airplane. Chad's so scared he has a football helmet on. Go!
Look.
No!
It almost ate me.
I want to try.
Okay, go. Set the world on fire! On fire! Oh, slam in half.
What does this button do?
It turns it.
Go. Stop! Okay, push it in the air and then slam it. Higher! Stop, 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 stop. Michael, bring it over. Don't do it. Oh, you idiot. Go.
Oh, I have way too many marshmallows.
Make it like hover right there and I'm going to hit it. Go. Stop.
You have to hold on to it a little bit.
Oh, look at that red mark. Yeah. Oh, stop, stop. What? Idiot.
You broke it.
Me?
Go. Sounds like a cat.
Oh my god, you
Stop, you're taking out the chippings.
I never knew that.
Stealing falling apart. Stop! You idiot is having a spaz attack. Oh no, it's stuck in the ground.
I'm scared of you.
Oh, you idiot!
so scary.
It's torture. Michael's scared of it. Oh no. Landed on my head. Oh, ow, my elbow. Ow, I think I broke it. Ow. It hurts. No. Hip check.
Can I play with it now?
Never.
Oh, the couch did. Okay, and that is enough for airplane.
no.
Okay. Sorry.
I shall take cover.
There's my mom. Hi, Mom.
You sound like a bunch of girls down here.
Yeah, it's Michael.
There's some popcorn. It's on
Okay, that's enough with airplane idiots.